Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off all notifications on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on this three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click notifications, click in app notifications, and here just click like this, and this will be turned off. And that's how to turn off all notifications on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.